Hi, we're from Rancho Solano Preparatory School, and our group is called the Mac and Cheese Whiskers. I'm Aiden Ushwar, and I'm the project manager of this group.
I'm Randy Cunning. I'm the investigative tech of this group.
I'm Carson Borders, and I'm the liaison of this group.
I'm Elspeth Cost, and I'm the material manager.
The problem that we are facing is that Miss Feaster's garden is not clean. It cannot grow anything because how dry the soil is. There are no pots, so it makes it look bland. And there's a big tree that makes a mess by shedding all of its leaves. And it is not worm friendly.
Be clean by raking all the leaves and scraps away from the garden. We will make the garden grow more things by replacing the soil with some rich and fertilized, worm-friendly soil. We can also make the soil better with the compost bin. We will also add some big pots on the side of the garden so we can plant flowers and succulents. Finally, we will remove the big tree from the garden.
Mrs. Feaster is our stakeholder, and she is the teacher at Rancho Solano Preparatory School. The students are also stakeholders because they will be also utilizing the garden. The students will be using the garden in experiments, and they will also use it as a nice scenery. First, we will need to rake all the leaves off the floor so we will have a mess-free space to work in. Next, we have to take out all the dirty soil and replace it with new fresh soil.
Second, we need to take out the soil and replace it with new soil. Third, we need to add pots on the side to grow stuff. We also need to add a compost bin to make the dirt better. Finally, we need to remove the big tree and add a shade cover.